क्वीन और फैशन डीवा सोनम कपूर ने फिर से बिखेरा रैंप पर अपना जलवा। मौका था सोनम की दोस्त परनिया कुरैशी के सपोर्ट का, तो सोनम ने अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से वक्त निकालकर परनिया के लिए रैंप वॉक किया। सोनम की इसी रैंप वॉक की मेन हाइलाइट्स हम लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए।
This is a gift and a couple of other outfits.
She's already asked for 10 more backstage. This one, this one, this one.
I think I really like that.
So the whole collection will be going towards the gift.
Which is great.
Vanya, tell us more about the collection.
So it's inspired by Amrapali the film. I'm a huge fan of Vaijayanti Mala. I'm sure you are too.
Yes, beautiful
And
dancer.
that film was so aesthetically stunning. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but the costumes are mind blowing.
Yeah.
The music is mind blowing.
It's unbelievable.
The dancing is mind blowing. So I was very inspired by that. I wanted a modern collection that anybody could wear, but inspired by that era. You know. So the whole idea was to pair it with gladiators, make it very wearable, but at the same time very India centric and kind of ethnic cool. And that was the idea. I think we achieved it somehow.
No,
Yeah.
she achieved it. Because the idea is, I like the marriage between the old and the new.
Yeah.
I think that's a very amazing way to put it across. And I like it. I like the fact that we get inspired. We always get inspired and we learn from our past. And we kind of, I think she's done a very beautiful interpretation of it. And I think the whole team that worked on it has done an incredible job. Incredible job. So that she has no choice but
Yeah.
happy in her life.
Exactly.
No
No, we
choice.
clicked really easily, you know, and I think after Aisha there was no looking back. I think
Do you
when
know how many years it's been?
6-7 years.
8 years.
2016 it came out, no? I mean 2010.
It came out 2010, but I met you 2 years before that.
1 year before.
2 years.
Okay. She's like a boyfriend. I don't remember my dates.
No, I tell you so because 2000,
She remembers everything.
2000. I remember 2008. We started working on Aisha, and Ria met you in America. In
Yeah, I was still in America coming back. Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
and that's when we started. So 2009. So
Yeah.
now it's 2000. It's been 7 years.
Yeah, time flies.
Time flies.
So Sonam, what's the plan now?
What is the plan now?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm just chilling and enjoying. I'm just chilling, and I'll start a film in a month or 2 months. In 2 months, I'm starting my film. We'll be announcing it in a couple of days.
I'm asking about tonight.
Oh, tonight?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm just going to go to Panya's house, and we're just going to, like 10-15 of my childhood friends and our very, very close friends.
We just need a drink.
We just, yeah.
Really badly.
We just want to chill.
Yeah.
I never do anything hectic on my birthday. I usually travel with all my friends, but this year, unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't know, I shouldn't be saying unfortunately, Ramzan falls into my birthday, and my friend Sheila can't travel, so I can't travel without all of them. So
we're here.
we're here. We're in Bombay, and yeah. Most adorable gift that I've received. I think every gift that I've got has been beautiful, but I think just spending time with my friends, because you can choose your friends, you can't choose your family. I love my family as well, but my friends are like my family, so just spending time with them and them taking out their time and spending time with me is the best way.
What has your dad given you today?
My dad, he's got me something really amazing. He usually doesn't give me gifts, but he has, and I don't like to talk about it because I don't know, it's weird. But I guess he's shooting for 24. He's not spending. Yesterday at 12 o'clock, he's like, happy birthday, I'm going to sleep. That's what he's done. He's like, can I go now? I'm like, yeah, so it's good. And I hope you like Panya's new collection. It's called what?
It's called Amrapali and it's on Pernia's pop-up shop.
It's the Amrapali collection, and it's going to be loaded on Panya's pop-up shop right now. Please go and see the collection. It's stunning, it's spectacular, and they've done an incredible shoot as well. It's beautiful.